students, welcome back to Statistical Hub. Today we are going to discuss how to calculate correlation in R. It's joy and let's explore. Have you ever wondered how we measure the relationship between the variables in data? That's where correlation coefficient comes into play. Let me explain. Correlation coefficient measures the extent of linear relationship between two variables. The correlation coefficient is denoted by R and ranges from -1 to +1. The next question comes in our mind is how to calculate correlation coefficient. There are mainly two methods to calculate correlation coefficient. First one is Karl Pearson correlation and the second one is Spearman-Rank correlation. This slide helps us to interpret correlation coefficient. These are the correlation coefficient values and these are the interpretations. Next we move to Karl Pearson correlation. Karl Pearson correlation used to measure the strength and direction of linear relationship between two continuous variables. This is the formula to compute Karl Pearson correlation. Let's go to the example. Suppose we have a dataset that contains information about the number of hours students spend studying for an exam and their exam goal. There are 15 observations. Let's put theory into action and see how to calculate this in R. I have already entered the dataset here. Here X represents the number of study hours and Y represents the exam scores. Let's see how to calculate correlation coefficient by Pearson method. First I write correlation equal to X, Y, method equal to Pearson. And select all these things and run. The correlation coefficient is 0.9701738. Here we can say that there is a high correlation between the variables, that is the study hours and the exam scores. Let's move on to the Spearman-Rank correlation. The Spearman-Rank correlation is used for qualitative or ordinal data, that is, for data which is not directly measurable. This is the formula of Spearman-Rank correlation, where di is the difference of ranks of observations between the two variables. Here is the example of Spearman-Rank correlation. There are 12 number of observations, the beauty score and the intelligence score. Let's see how to calculate these in R. I have already entered the dataset here, where X represents the beauty score and Y represents the intelligence score. Let's calculate Spearman-Rank correlation. And I write Spearman cor X, Y, method equal to Spearman. Select all these things and run. The correlation coefficient is 0.9876429. Then we can say that there is a high correlation between the variables. That is the ends for today. If you enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe to Statistical Hub for more statistical insights. Thank you.